welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about the project, which is an efficient privacy preserving ranked multi-keyword retrieval for multi-data owners in outsourced cloud. So before getting into the execution, first let's understand what is the project about. Imagine you're working on an important project and you're storing all your files in the cloud service. So this makes it easy to access and share documents from anywhere, relieving you of your local storage constraints. However, as you save sensitive information like financial reports, privacy concerns arise. While cloud storage is efficient for managing large volumes of data, it comes with risks of your personal and confidential business information, which could be exposed during searches or file retrieval. For instance, if a data breach occurs, sensitive details could fall into the wrong hands. This highlights the need for secure solutions like searchable encryption to protect our data while still allowing efficient access. As we embrace cloud storage, ensuring our privacy and security becomes essential. When we look at searchable encryption techniques, most schemes are built for single owner environments. This means they are not well suited for scenarios where multiple data owners are involved. Because of this, they often can't handle multi keyword searches efficiently. One big issue is that these systems they have computational costs. For instance, searching through a large data set with several keywords can take a lot of time and also resources, which makes it impractical for businesses that need quick access to their information. And another concern is that of these systems, they are vulnerable to keyword guessing attacks. So, which means that someone could potentially guess the sensitive information. Plus, many of these encryption schemes require a lot of user interaction, which complicates the search process and that can be frustrating for users. So, in short, while searchable encryption is important for data security, the current limitations in handling multiple owners and also the keywords show that we need better solutions that are both secure and user friendly. So, to tackle all these challenges, in this project, we are incorporating PKMR, which is privacy preserving ranked multi keyword retrieval. This system allows users to conduct ranked multi keyword searches across multiple data owners, which makes it easier to find the relevant information. So, we have integrated strong security features like bilinear pairing and collision resistant hashing to keep user data safe from keyword guessing attacks. So, in this project, we are using bilinear pairing and collision resistant hashing. And moreover, we are using TF-IDF. By using this TF-IDF, PRMKR ranks documents based on how well they match user queries, inquiring the most relevant results show up the first. Plus, here we have used AES encryption. So why we have used this AES encryption? To protect the data and inverted indexes, keeping user privacy intact. So by reducing the number of interactions users need with the cloud, PRMKR makes the search process smoother and also faster, which improves the overall experience for everyone involved. Moving on, to enhance the security in this project, as an extension, we are incorporating elliptic curve cryptography, which is nothing but ECC. And also, we are incorporating caching mechanisms. So, this ECC, which is elliptic curve cryptography, it uses smaller key sizes, which reduces the computational overhead and speeds up encryption and decryption process, making the system more efficient. Meanwhile, this caching mechanism it stores previously retrieved results, allowing for quick access during repeated queries and also improving search efficiency together. So together, these enhancements optimize performance and scalability, enabling system to handle more users and data without compromising security or response times. So this project's main aim is to develop a privacy preserving ranked multi-keyword retrieval. So in this project, we aim to develop a privacy preserving ranked multi keyword retrieval system that enhances searchable encryption for multiple data owners in cloud environments. It facilitates efficient, secure multi keyword searches while ensuring user privacy and also confidentiality, that is, data confidentiality. Beneficiaries include cloud service providers, businessmen with sensitive data, and individual users who have value. privacy, and efficiency, enhancing data security and accessibility across various sectors. So, this is all about the theoretical concept of the project. To implement this project, we need few basic requirements. So, coming to software requirements, we need Python ideally of 3.7.0 version, Visual Studio Community version. Backend languages which are used are Python, JavaScript, and framework used is Django. Coming to hardware requirements, we need processor of 5 and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, and ROM of 20 GB and above. Now let's execute the project. To execute, first we need to open the code folder which contains source code files. So open the code folder. So these are the source code files in the code folder of the project. Let's understand each of them, how will they be used in the project. So in this keyword folder, it contains Python code files that will be intended to be dynamically loaded into the project code during runtime. And this keyword app folder comprises of two subfolders and some Python code files. Two subfolders are static folder and templates folder. In static folder, we will have CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap files. These files they contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. And coming to this templates folder, within this folder we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more, representing various sections of the website. And moving to the Python code files, they will be executed during the runtime of the application, which supports project's functionality. And this is manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with the Django, and it provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, and applying migrations and more. And this is run.bat file. Instead of executing project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now we have to double click on this run.bat file to execute it. Here, if we observe manage.py file is compiled, now Django framework will host the application at the local host and the port. So this is the local host and this is the port. Now we have to copy this local link provided by the Django framework and paste it in any web browser. So I'm copying the link. I prefer Google Chrome, so I will paste it in that. Paste the link here at the end, type index.html and click on enter. So this is the homepage of the project, which is displayed in the browser. And this is developed using Django framework. Here in this homepage, we can see there are two different links. One is cloud user login, new user sign up here link. Before logging in as cloud user, we need to sign up first. So click on new user sign up here link. Here we have to enter all these details and sign up. So let's give the username as Kiran, give his password, give his contact number, give his mail ID, give his address. And now click on submit. So sign up process of Kiran is successfully completed and he can log in to perform all the cloud activities. So let's log in as cloud user Kiran. So click on cloud user login link. Here we have to give username and the password to login. So username is Kiran and here we have to provide his password. Now click on login. So user Kiran, he has logged in successfully and this is his dashboard where he can upload files and he can encrypt the data and he can do multi-keyword searching. So now let's click on upload file to upload the file. So click on that. Here we have choose file button. We have to click on that for uploading the file. Let's upload this file. Click on open. File is loaded. Now click on submit. If you observe, file is encrypted using AES and also the extension technique, which is ECC. Now let's click on encrypted trapdoor link. So click on that. Here, this it will break the file into individual words. Each word is encrypted using the encryption technique to keep it secure. And these encrypted words, they are then processed by the TF-IDF algorithm, which assigns the important weights to the words. It creates a searchable index known as the trapdoor. So this encrypted trapdoor is stored in the cloud for secure search operations. So here, these are the inverted index generation completed. I mean here, inverted index generation is completed and this is the signed inverted index hash code, which makes the file secure. And this is inverted index, encrypted inverted index. Now let's click on search top K link. So click on that. Here we have to give multiple words. You can give a single word, you can give multiple keywords to search the file. So let's open the file and see what are the things in that file. So open the file. So this is the file that we have uploaded recently. So open that. Let's search using these multiple keywords. So copy them, get back to the application, paste them here. Now click on submit. So here what happens is the input that the multiple keywords that we have given, they will be converted into an encrypted search query. Then system compares this query with the trapdoor and identifies the top key, that is most similar words that match the search. Finally, the system sends the results to the user who can download the files in the decrypted format. So for the given keywords here, found the text file is this one. So given keywords are found in this cloud.txt file, and this is the keyword ranked score. And if we click on this download file, we will be able to download this txt file. So click on download file. Here we can observe that the file is downloaded. Now let's search with the same keywords again to show the extension mechanism, which is caching mechanism. So click on top search key. Paste the same content here. And now what will happen is cache will activate. That means that recently we have searched with the same keyword. So it will take the base and then it will give the results quickly. So click on submit. So here we got the quick results. Now let's click on storage graph. This is the trapdoor storage graph where orange color represents the proposed storage, blue color represents the existing storage. Now let's click on extension graph. Here, this graph represents the proposed and extension search time graph. This orange color represents extension cache search time and blue color represents proposed search time. Now let's click on logout. In this way, encrypted trapdoor with multiple data owners, that means each data owner, they can securely upload and store their own files on the cloud. The system encrypts the words in these files, encrypting separate encrypted trapdoors for each data owner's files. This means multiple data owners, they can store their encrypted data in the same system without the risk of their data being exposed or mixed with the others. The trapdoors ensures that the data remains isolated and secure while still enabling efficient searches across different owners' datasets. So this is all about the project.
www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.